Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add slideshow for your site in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page. And let's write here slide. Promo. Yeah, this is it. So which one we want? This is important. I honestly think we can go with the first one here. Okay, let's scroll down and let's click edit. Changing images. Nice. And as you can see, let's edit the text here. We don't need to have a text here, and we can just paste it somewhere here, like upstairs here, and here you got it. Really cool, really simple slider. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, but this is how we can add slider in Site123. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.